IEEE 1394 connector developed and produced by TXGA. It is an ultra-high-definition image transmission interface solution for industrial imaging equipment. In response to the ultra-clear image transmission requirements of CCD industrial cameras, the IEEE 1394 connector developed and produced by TXGA has an output bandwidth of 400 megabits per second, which can make the imaging of CCD industrial cameras clearer and smoother. Meet the high-quality image transmission requirements of industrial imaging equipment. TXGA has provided professional connector customization solutions for 15,000 customers around the world. To customize the connector, choose TXGA.